guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Edge here guys, and we'll show you guys the torque specs for the front brakes on Ford Edge guys. Now one thing guys, you always have to consult with your service manual because you might have different configuration, different engine, different brake setup. But what we have here guys, stay with us and we'll show you. It should work on most of the models from 2007 first generation up guys. I think it's even the one with the facelift until 2014, 13, 14. But you always need to double check that guys. For ours it's a 2007 3.5 front wheel drive guys, and we'll show you the torque specs for the front brakes. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel in return guys, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if the video is helpful or not. All the tools, parts guys, and the torque wrenches that we'll be using will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So now the first thing that we'll be getting tight guys, okay, let me explain to you. You have caliper, guide, pin bolts here, one on top, one on bottom. The top one usually is longer, at least in our case, the bottom one is shorter. And you have big bolts, super big bolts. This is for the caliper mount guys, one here and one on the bottom side. The big bolts are with 19mm socket, and in our case guys they need to be 98 foot-pound or 133 Newton meters. So again, it needs to be 98 foot-pound, okay, or 133 Newton meters. We're going to set ours guys, and you're going to hear guys now when we reach that torque. Okay, the torque wrench guys will click. Once you hear that click, you have to immediately guys, stop and not apply more pressure because you will put too much torque. So listen now. That's it guys, you don't want to go more. Once you hear the click, this is it, and you stop immediately guys. So we have the one on top now. Okay, we need to just reposition the torque wrench because it got stuck on the back side of the hose and it changed the setting, the setting from going left or right. That's it guys. Okay, you can see 98 foot-pound or 133 Newton meters. Now we need to use the small one guys. You can use the big one again, but we're having another smaller one. This is a 3/8, which is very easy to use wrench. We like this one a lot. You can find them guys listed in the description of the video below. This one needs to be 88 Newton meters, 88 Newton meters, or it needs to be guys 65 feet-pound, at least for our configuration. So we have this one set at 88 Newton meters. When you store your torque wrenches, you always have to set them at the lowest setting so you don't cause any damage to the springs, and that way, okay, they can be accurate. Listen now, 88 Newton meters. Perfect. And now the one on top. Okay, this is it guys. This is the torque specs for the brakes. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next time.